Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Suppose your phone screen is off and if you receive any incoming call, your camera flash is blinking means flashlight notification is turned on. See here, I am receiving a call when phone screen is off and see in the back side there is flashlight glowing. Okay, so if you would like to turn off this flashlight, as you can do it, what you got to do is just follow this video. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and here select flash notifications and just turn off this button incoming calls, so that when your phone screen is off, even if you receive any incoming calls, then you will not get flashlight blinking in the back side. See here, it's not now appearing, that is a flashlight is not turned on. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye bye.